Welcome to Left Hand Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3 and welcome to the Lockpicking Advent Calendar Day 1. If you don't know what this is all about, please check the original video. I will put a link to it at the end, so fast forward to the end, click on that, know what we're doing. This is great. One lock a day for an entire month. And we're starting off easy. So you saw me make this key in the last video. I am going on a severe bidding for the month. But we're starting off with only one pin populated in one chamber. So let's figure out the random chamber number I'm populating. The first decimal is 4, chamber 4. So, you remember this from our first video? So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing a shorty. Let's pop that in there. And on day 2, we're gonna do another random one. Get that into this beast of an 83. I decided to go with an 83 because this keyway actually falls deeper than a number 9. I found out that on my cutaway, the number 9 actually rests right on the shear line. So it was extremely easy to pick when I was practicing for this. So I wanted to challenge myself a little bit more. So the 83, it falls below the shear line, so I actually have to pick every single one. So let's focus there, pop that in chamber 4. Get that all ready to go. Throw it into Davis body. But remember to do this. Now, if you forgot to do this part, I did in one of my videos show how to make a tool to actually go through the keyway and pop the cam. So no fret if that happens to you. These are primarily going to be short videos, one a day each day. I'm going to throw this up on the subreddit, and hopefully you all can post your pics and vids along with me for the entire month. Let's make sure this will pop open for us. It will. Into the pick. Now, for your lefties out there, I picked this up at the last tool event. If you put your middle finger through the shackle, do top of the keyway, you can pull it over with your index finger and push with your thumb, and you'll do a perfect top of the keyway as a lefty. Alright, get in there, find the pin, raise it up. There we go, day 1 complete. So, that is 1 of 31. Well, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this month more. Please tell your friends. Maybe get a friend that hasn't picked a lock before and teach them how to pick this month. This is a great way to spread the word, grow our community of lock sport enthusiasts, and really have fun with this entire month. So, please subscribe below. Click this one to see our introduction video, and click here to see the entire playlist of the entire month. And please send me your videos. If you do, I'll put them into the playlist. So until next time, peace.